I'm way better than any of these guys. It's fucking embarrassing that I'm even climbing with them. No.
If only you could remember your beta.
Oh look, it's Chris and his belay bitches.
Hey guys.
Hey, I'm
Hey,
belay
Ryan.
bitch number 1.
I'm just trying to get you guys your hardest ever belays, you know? I'm out here doing God's work.
Yep, you got my highest belay, 29.
Yeah, man. What's your hardest belay, Reese?
Hardest belay, 28 probably?
28.
Yeah, nah, nothing compared to you guys.
We can up that.
Yeah, if your hardest belay is lower than your hardest climb,
Yeah.
you're a climber, not a belay bitch.
I think I can pay out quite quickly with that because I'll just stand back just before the cut.
I'll try and warn you as much as I can too.
I think I know what you're doing. It's kind of, you're on the toe hooks, eh?
Yeah, on the toe hooks, and I peel the toe hook off and
Yeah.
I just cut.
Because you're on, I don't know.
Okay, happy your days?
I don't know, man. It's fun.
Oh yeah.
Don't worry, just
Stop.
What is this? Yep. Come on, come on. Get it in. Yeah, dude. Yes. Come on.
There's no way I can make the cross with that. I think you're like, there's no way I can do that with that. I think the kind of bottom how do you
Cook. Watch out.
My top tip for this climb is to do your knee pads up really tight, because I didn't do them up tight last week and I fell out of the knee pads whilst I was climbing. Just pulled them straight off my legs. That's climber admin for you. Hey guys, welcome back to White Falls. Here for another weekend. Punishment in the roof, which is pretty cool. Pretty psyched at the moment. We've got some cool climbs going down. Last weekend I jumped on one called Infinite Monkey Theorem, which I've just done then as the first climb of the day. Kind of do it as a bit of a warm-up, bit of an extreme warm-up, but all the climbs here are pretty extreme, so yeah, it's pretty cool. It goes up a climb called the Spider with a bunch of tow hooks, and then kind of goes underneath rather than doing kind of the second crux move of the Spider. Yeah, it's like double knee bar rest, and then you can kind of crab walk it all the way along this kind of crack climb all the way to the final moves, which is like a kind of stemming cool little technical boulder. Yeah, actually surprisingly cool line. I didn't enjoy it that much when I was working on it. I didn't enjoy the Spider that much. A lot of other people do, but I'm really bad at toe hooking. So the toe hooks underneath, I'm just like really long and feel like this newborn giraffe with legs all over the place. So I don't feel like I do very well at toe hooking. It's great to be at White Falls and to practice moves like that though. Jumped on it last weekend because I was too tired on the second day to keep going with Crooked Vultures, which is 29 that goes right through the center of the roof. The moves are quite bouldery and the holds are a little bit wet as well, so I thought jump on something a little bit easier. I've got a few other things to tick at the crag in that like 27 range, and yeah, it's the first line you get to when you walk in the crag, so I was like, yeah, Infinite Monkey, jump on that. But today when I sent it, I actually really enjoyed the line. Yeah, cool bouldery moves, really cool knee bars, no hands rest, and the top section is like really cool as well. I started off a little bit wrapped up in the rope because the belay at the start isn't the best. I definitely should have checked that before I jumped on, but I'm pretty confident on my first moves anyway, so I think I just took that bit for granted. Yeah, then yeah, bouldery moves, fun finish. Yeah, pretty cool line, would recommend to a friend. And then I've just jumped on snake oil, made all the moves on that, so I'm really stoked and keen to get back here tomorrow. Massive thanks to everyone who subscribed recently. So I've just jumped up to 3,000 subs, which is pretty cool. And everyone who's watching the videos, whether they're the long videos or the short videos, thanks very much. And yeah, hopefully I can keep making some cool content for you over the next few months, especially at White Falls. I'm going to be here almost every weekend, I think, until I get snake oil. I've just jumped back on it after a year of not being on it properly, and I'm freaking psyched because I did all the moves like pretty easily. So stringing it together is going to be my project for the rest of this season, which is going to be over in 6 weeks, maybe not even that, maybe 4 weeks, until the snow starts coming in. Hopefully it's a warm start to the winter. So yeah, thanks very much for everyone who's subbed, and I will see you in the next one. Hopefully it'll be snake oil, another 8A plus. Catch you later.